Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to fix your TikTok filter option not showing on an Android phone or iOS phone. So to start, we'll have to make sure first that our TikTok app is updated to its latest version. So here on the search bar, let's type TikTok. So as you can see here, my app is updated to its latest version. If yours is not, just go ahead and update the app. After updating the app, if it still doesn't fix the problem, just go ahead to your settings. Let's type on the search bar, manage apps. And then here on the manage apps, type again on the search bar TikTok. And then here, let's scroll down and look for the clear data option. Then here, let's click on the clear cache. After that, let's look for the storage option. And then here, let's click again on clear data and click on clear cache. After doing all that, if it still doesn't fix the problem on your TikTok not showing the filter option, you could always uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh the app. So that's how you fix TikTok filter option not showing on an Android phone or iOS phone. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.